Hello again, welcome to my channel Lucky Bamboo. Today we're going to do a simple recipe, stir fried ginger with beef. What I got here, 1.3 pounds of beef and some ginger. It's dependent on how much ginger you like. I already cut up some ginger already. I'm going to show you how to prepare the ginger. Just take a knife and just take the skin out, like this. Or you can take a spoon and just scrape it off. You don't want the skin. It's depending on your preference. If you like more ginger, then put a lot of ginger. If you don't, just put, whatever you like, the amount of ginger you like. A lot of people like to eat a lot of ginger, which is good for you, ginger. Okay. All the skin out, and what I do is just slice it like that. Try to slice it as thin as possible. You don't want it too thick. Be careful with the knife too. Okay. After that, you just put it back like this, line it up like that, and you just slice it. Okay, do the same thing with the rest of them. Okay, for me that should be enough ginger right there. Cut up the beef. This is about 1.3 pounds of beef. Alright. Okay. I just cut it up like that. Okay. Well, the other ingredient we're going to need is oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and ground pepper. This is a white ground pepper, so I guess that's all you need. Let's start cooking. A couple teaspoons of oil. I'll let it get hot a little bit before you put ginger in. Well, let's cook the ginger first. Cook the ginger first, and then take the ginger out, and then put the beef in, and then cook the beef, and then put the ginger back in. It's gonna take 2-3 minutes to cook the ginger, maybe 5 minutes. Okay, after about 4 or 5 minutes of cooking the ginger is kind of turned brown a little bit. That's depending on your preference. If you like It's depending on your preference. If you like it, you know, a little raw, then don't cook, don't brown it like this. But I like my ginger to be a little brown, a little you know, well done a little bit. So see, a little turn a little brown a little bit. Yeah, I like my ginger, you know, very well cooked. Some people like it, you know, just a little not well cooked like this, not brown like this, but I like it mine like that. Okay, and I'll take the ginger out. Alright. Now let's cook the beef. Couple of teaspoon oil. Put the beef in. Okay. It shouldn't take long to cook the beef. Alright, let's put out the ingredients in. About a teaspoon to about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. To add a little sweetness, we put the oyster sauce. Maybe a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce in. The ground pepper, I got the white ground pepper right here, maybe a teaspoon of that. Just a tiny bit of salt, don't put too much because the oyster sauce and the soy sauce already have a lot of salt already. Just a tiny bit of salt. Now it's time to put the ginger back in. We'll give a taste a little bit, see if the salt, let's have enough salt in it. Let's give a little taste. Very good. Just cook a little bit to reduce the liquid a little bit. You don't want too much liquid in the pan. Yeah, I think this is cooked. Let's plate it up. So this is the final product, stir fry ginger with beef. This is a very delicious recipe. You can eat this with jasmine rice. Very good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the like button. And thank you again for watching. Lucky Bamboo. See you next time. Bye bye.